Hey cousins! Today's video is brought to you by Brennas hair, and look at the quality of this box. I was sold from the presentation. Inside of the box, I received my unit as well as a ton of goodies. I love a company that takes the time to make sure that they're presenting their brand well. This is Brennas hair 4x4 body wave unit, and it is a glueless cap. I have it in 24 inches. The only thing I can say is, for my personal preference, I wanted the hairline to be a little bit more pronounced, so I did go in and tweeze it. However, that is optional. I added some foundation underneath the lace off camera, and voila, all I needed was mousse for a seamless, glueless install. For my initial meltdown, I let that band sit on my head for approximately about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I go in and cut the lace off. As you guys see, in case you're wondering, this wig does come with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as an adjustable band, and that helps the wig lay down flat. I definitely suggest this unit for anyone out there who is looking for a little bit of razzle dazzle in their life, a wig that lays down flat and that's beginner friendly. If you are interested in any of the products that I use, I will link them down below in my Amazon storefront. Once again, this is 24 inches. I'm 5'2". You guys see is coming right above my butt. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. Yes, I love it. But y'all know I'm a curly girl, but this wig was kind of speaking to me or whatever, so I'm definitely here for that. Also, as you guys can see, I'm adding some eyeshadow into my parting space, but I decided to pull out a few hairs just to widen the parting space up a little bit, because the hair is pretty tight into this unit, which is good because as the wig gets older, you don't have to worry about it like balding quickly. Bombshell baddie, yes. So this is the 3rd day of me rocking this unit, and I have a ton of good things to say about this wig. Like, for one, the shedding is almost obsolete, and that is amazing for a unit this long. I didn't get any tangling as of yet. Now granted, like I said, this is only day 3 into me wearing this unit, but I can tell you, from the looks of things, it's giving quality at an affordable price. Now you see me going in adding some layers. As you're going to see in a couple minutes, these layers is going to wake this wig up and give it that real bombshell, Farrah Fawcett kind of vibe. One thing I wanted to mention, I'm not quite for sure if you can choose your cap size. I'll have all that information linked down in my description box, as well as a direct link to this wig and to Brennas hair. But this particular cap construction that I have on my head is large. So all my big head girlies, come to the front. This unit is for you. This is one of those units that if you want to have like that if you want to have that quick weave look, like on a vacation, or you just love to keep your wigs on for an extended amount of time, you can sew this wig down and give quick weave vibes. Okay, you can give sew-in vibes with this wig. I love that. I love how flat that this wig lays to my head. I love how just low maintenance this unit is. Y'all know I'm a curly girl at heart, but you see how this wig came together. with these layers, giving very much so Farrah Fawcett. Yes, Bombshell curls with a flat iron. I'll be sure to link my Amazon storefront down below. I have this flat iron and the products that I used in my description box, and I'll be sure to link Brennas hair in my description box as well. Get into these inches. It's just giving. Y'all see that? I was feeling myself. Shout out to Brennas Hair for sponsoring today's video. Check my description box for all information that you would need to inquire about this unit or any products that I used. And let me know how you feel about this wig down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I shall see y'all in my next upload. Bye. Mwah.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I just brought a